Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're holding a shiny new BMO debit card and wondering how to get it up and running, especially with the latest 2025 updates, you've come to the right place. Activating your card is super important for security and to start using it right away. In this quick guide, we'll cover the straightforward steps to activate your BMO debit card. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your card handy along with any required details like your card number, expiration date, and the CVV on the back. You'll also need access to your BMO online banking account or the BMO app, as most activations happen digitally these days. Step 1. Log into your BMO online banking account. Head over to the official BMO website, enter your username and password, and navigate to the Cards or Accounts section. Look for the option that says Activate Card. It's usually front and center. Step 2. Enter your card details. Once you're in the activation page, input your card number, the expiration date, and that 3-digit CVV. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Then, follow the prompts. You might be asked to verify your identity with a one-time code sent to your phone or email. If you prefer using the BMO mobile app, it's even easier. Download or open the app, log in, and go to the Manage Cards section. Select your new debit card and hit Activate. The app often uses biometric verification like fingerprint or Face ID for added security. What if you're not tech savvy? No worries. You can activate your card over the phone. Just call the number on the back of your card or the one listed on the BMO website. A representative will guide you through the process, and it usually takes just a few minutes. Once activated, test it out by making a small purchase or checking your account balance. Remember, for 2025, BMO has enhanced security features, so keep an eye out for any additional prompts like setting up a PIN or enabling notifications. And there you have it. Your BMO debit card is now ready to go. If you run into any issues, reach out to BMO customer support or check their FAQ page. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. See you next time.